Designed by John Rennie and officially opened in May 1823, Chichester Canal was originally designed to transport goods from the city centre to waiting vessels in Chichester Harbour. Today, however, this historical waterway is more of a nature reserve and popular amongst birdwatchers, ramblers and naturists. I have decided to take a 45-minute canal boat tour and check out some of the fantastic scenery along the banks of Chichester Canal. Today I'm heading for sunny Chichester Canal to be precise. I've booked myself onto an hour 45-minute canal boat ride. I'm going to check out some nature, some wildlife, some scenery and anything else that might happen to come along. I'm also going to give you a small run through on the history of this amazing canal, why it was built, who built it and all the rest. Let's see where this takes us.
That's very good. Well done. Introduction first, a good idea. My name is Keith and I'm your skipper for this lovely trip down the Chichester Canal. You are all most welcome.
Chichester Canal has a long and interesting history. Built from 1771 to 1822, it played a really important part in trade and transport of goods from Chichester city centre to Chichester Harbour. Chichester Canal is a beautiful waterway. It stretches over 5 miles and connects Chichester city centre with Chichester Harbour. This waterway was key for shipping timber, building materials and other important items. It helped the economy grow and also was an important part of bringing people together. The idea to build the Chichester Canal started with the local merchants. They wanted a better way to move their goods. Work started on the canal in 1771 and over time it became a vital route for the region. During the Industrial Revolution, the first commercial barges were introduced onto the canal, making it a very busy waterway. Something that's always intrigued me, when they finish building the canal, how do they fill it up with water? I mean, that's a hell of a lot of bucket loads of water, isn't it? And it is fresh water, so it's not from the sea. Comments below if you know. Today, Chichester Canal is a mixture of fun and beautiful views with a wide selection of boat trips to choose from. If you are planning to go for a boat trip on the canal, I highly recommend that you book before you go, because it does tend to get quite busy, especially around the summer season. Chichester is famous for a lot of things. It's got a cathedral, theatre, Goodwood Estate just up the road if you like your horse racing, your motor racing, and also South Downs National Park for all you hikers and nature enthusiasts. Chichester Canal boat ride is a peaceful escape into nature. It lets visitors enjoy the beauty and history of the landscape. As you glide along, you'll see wildlife and greenery all along the banks. Spring and summer are probably the best seasons to visit the canal. The weather is nice and the wildlife is out. Autumn is also great for its fall of colours. Although some of the trips do have food included, some of them don't, so it's probably advisable to take yourself a little picnic or snack lunch with you. Well, that's about all I've got to say on a 1 hour 45-minute canal boat ride. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please remember to hit that little subscribe button, give me a thumbs out and ring the little notification bell. Really appreciate it, and it really does go towards helping my channel. That's all for the moment. Thanks very much for watching. Chef's Travels. Hopefully see you on the next mission. Cheers.